6-0 rainy day here, Monday, Kansas City. They're losing 6-0, but it's nice to see another stadium. Reds win 7-4. All right, stadium checklist. We've been to the Detroit Tigers Stadium, Wrigley Field, Chicago White Sox, Florida Marlins, St. Louis Cardinals, and now Kansas City Royals. So was that 6, 7? Still like 22, 23, 24 to go. I'll look back on this clip and look at the math. See, there's moments like this where I have just no idea what to do right now. Where I'm staying is an hour and a half away. There's not many food options in that area, so I should go downtown and eat some food. Just see that area. It's a rainy, crappy day. I know I should just go relax, but that's the situation I'm in. Thank you.
Might be they're pushing your button so you don't get punched again.
I did, because I'm half asleep right now.